Build your brand. There is plenty enough money to go around for everyone. There is plenty of room in the creativity department for everybody. Some of the greatest things in this world were created by people who were no smarter than you. Like Steve Jobs said, that some of the greatest innovations in this world were created by people who were no smarter than you. You realize that you can change it, you can influence it, you can create your own things that other people would just call a part of life. So build your brand. Think about Damon John's story. He started off with a basic sewing machine, for us, by us, creating different apparel, hats, and different things, going out and selling them on the street. And this man took a brand and flipped it inside out. Became very wealthy off of this brand by sticking to it with commitment, perseverance, diligence. And that's what you can do with Fresh Off the Press. I'm going to show you how to do like Damon John with a basic machine. His was a sewing machine, yours is the Cricut machine, the Silhouette or the Cameo machine. And you can build a brand with diligence, perseverance, and sticking to itness. You end up with a thriving brand. Albert Einstein was once quoted saying, "Imagination is more important than knowledge. Knowledge gets you from point A to B, but imagination encircles the globe." So when I share with you knowledge about how to create the foundation of this business, that's not the most important part about this business. The most important part about this business is igniting your creativity and being inspired to tap into your imagination so you can create a unique brand that people are drawn to because your brand has an attractive energy to it. First of all, attitude is everything. Enthusiasm is so important when creating a brand because people can feel the energy that you put off when you pitch your brand to them, or when you're wearing your brand, or when you're showing your brand. Building your brand has to do with attitude. It has to do with your character. It has to do with your mission statement, your purpose, your vision, your goals. It's so important. That's why there's plenty enough opportunity for everyone, because we can all create such unique products and thrive in our specific market sector. There are all kinds of non-profit organizations, for-profit companies, there are all types of corporations, there are all types of schools, buildings, there are all types of products, there are all types of people who need apparel, who need garments, who need gifts to give out. Churches, mosques, all kinds of different things that you could possibly think of. You have opportunity everywhere. I once heard someone say, if you believe that there are too many people doing what you would like to do, then go to the grocery store. Look around. Go to the bread aisle. Look at all the different brands that are selling bread. And what that really means is all those bread companies are selling the same product, slightly different. And yet they're all still in business, and we all have our preferences. In the same way, someone may have a preference for your particular company, or the way you do things, or a specific way that you style your apparel or your brand. So go ahead, jump in the water, do a cannonball, jump in the deep end. Let's do this. Let's create your brand, let's build something new, and let's ignite that creativity. Let's spark that passion. That's what's most important. I'm going to show you how to turn your purpose, your passion, and your pursuit into your paycheck.